The world is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. From the Arctic to the Amazon, our planet never ceases to amaze. Join us as we unveil 10 hidden travel gems, showcasing their untouched beauty and unique charm. Our journey begins in Mexico, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. Hidden away from the bustling tourist resorts lies a pristine beach, accessible only by underwater caves. Emerging from the cool embrace of the caves, we are greeted by a secluded cove, fringed by towering cliffs and shaded by swaying palms. The turquoise waters sparkle invitingly, while the soft white sand beckons us to leave the cares of the world behind. Visit now while its magic remains undiluted, and experience the allure of Mexico's hidden beach before the rest of the world catches on. Our next destination is Croatia, a land of ancient history and natural beauty. 16 lakes, each a different shade of emerald or sapphire, cascade into one another. Wooden walkways offer breathtaking views of lakes, waterfalls, and lush vegetation. Take a boat ride, hike to the highest waterfall, or find a quiet spot to soak up the beauty. Plitvice Lakes is a place where time seems to stand still, showcasing nature's power and beauty. Our journey takes us to the Faroe Islands, a remote archipelago between Iceland and Norway. This rugged land offers dramatic cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and verdant valleys. Explore picturesque villages with turf-roofed houses, hike to towering sea cliffs, and witness incredible bird life. The local people, with their warm hospitality, will make you feel at home. The Faroe Islands will stay with you long after you've left, a place to escape and discover a different step back in time. Our journey takes us to the icy wilderness of Svalbard, Norway. This Arctic archipelago is a land of extremes where glaciers carve mountains, polar bears roam, and the northern lights dance. Encounter magnificent polar bears in their natural habitat. Explore glaciers, ice caves, and witness the northern lights. Svalbard will challenge and inspire you, leaving a profound appreciation for our planet. We now journey to the Coral Triangle, a region renowned for its marine biodiversity, and dive into the underwater wonderland of Raja Ampat, Indonesia. This archipelago boasts pristine coral reefs teeming with marine life. Swim alongside manta rays, witness sharks, and marvel at Nudi Branch. The islands are breathtakingly beautiful, with lush rainforests, lagoons, and beaches. Raja Ampat will awaken your senses and leave you with deep appreciation for our planet. Nestled high in the Himalayas lies Bhutan, the land of happiness. This secluded nation fascinates travelers with its stunning scenery, ancient monasteries, and unique Buddhist culture. Witness colorful festivals celebrating rich heritage with music and dance. Visit Dzong's impressive fortress-like monasteries. The Bhutanese people welcome you with warmth and hospitality. A trip to Bhutan is a reminder that happiness can be found in simplicity. Embark on an adventure to Madagascar, an island nation off the coast of Africa known for its extraordinary biodiversity. Home to lemurs, chameleons, baobab trees, and other unique species, Madagascar is a nature lover's paradise. Imagine trekking through lush rainforests and meeting playful lemurs. Explore national parks, navigate spiny forests, and relax on pristine beaches. Madagascar will ignite your sense of adventure and appreciation for our planet. Our journey takes us to the heart of Central Asia, to the mountainous nation of Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan is a hidden gem with soaring peaks, pristine lakes, and vast steppes where nomadic traditions thrive. Imagine waking up in a yurt, surrounded by the breathtaking Tian Shan Mountains. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Kyrgyz people and their love of horses. Kyrgyzstan will stay with you, a reminder of the beauty and spirit of the nomadic way of life. Our final destination takes us to the Azores, a Portuguese archipelago located in the North Atlantic. These 9 volcanic islands offer a unique blend of dramatic landscapes, charming villages, and a rich cultural heritage. Explore volcanic craters transformed into emerald green lakes. Hike along coastal trails with breathtaking ocean views, and relax in natural hot springs. Whale watching is a must-do in the Azores, as these waters are home to a variety of cetaceans including sperm whales, blue whales, and dolphins. The Azores are a destination that will surprise and delight you, a place where you can truly escape and reconnect with yourself. From hidden beaches and pristine lakes to remote islands and soaring mountains, these 10 destinations offer a glimpse into the extraordinary diversity and beauty of our planet. Each one holds a unique allure, a promise of adventure, discovery, and unforgettable experiences. So, which one will you choose as your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more incredible travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.